Hi all, this next video you're about to watch is about a mystery item. What's in the box? Hang around and you'll see. I think I have been patient enough. I got this package about, 3 days ago, and I haven't been able to open it yet because we've been busy. That's part of having an active social life. So anyway, now I'm going to open my package. Okay. Another benefit of having a lift, mobile workbench. That's good height. This is heavy.
It is heavy. Watch your head. Here comes the handy knife.
Did you see the knife that my lovely wife bought me for Christmas? But not only this, also this. That's pretty cool. Old-fashioned bottle opener, hand painted, eagle, engine, Harley Davidson.
Very good.
And also a DJI action camera, so I can put it on my helmet with a magnetic clip, which I'll show you all later. This is slightly neat. It's come from Germany.
Ah, that's a long way away. Ta-da! What have we got here? It looks like one of those over there.
Similar.
No?
Did I get ripped off? Well, looking at the quality of this, look at that. That's thick steel. This is heavy. This isn't going anywhere. Decent nuts and bolts. Decent chock. So for 136 bucks, bloody great value. Good score.
Excellent.
Okay, so it's pretty simple. Insert front support 4 to the closed end stand base 3 using bolts 12, washers 7 and nuts 8. Yay! If not already assembled, thread the eyelets 5 and the leg plugs 8 into the front support.
They're already there.
To this.
So the washer behind the nut.
So we've got 2 sets of washers, but different sizes. So it's the only 2, so it obviously goes there. Two nylocks.
Perfect. Now the back piece, put the pin in.
Find the hole.
Put the clips in. straight bit goes in the hole, obviously.
Yeah.
I'm going to have a chock.
We're going to work out which way this goes.
Top.
Yeah, like that.
Yeah.
So the long bit is this bit.
Yeah. It goes that way. Okay.
So there's a tip for you. The long bit goes to the front where your bike comes on. This way it's got an arrow and it's got the long bit at the front.
Yeah.
Now obviously with this you can have it sitting on the concrete with a block of wood to the wall or whatever to stop it moving. You can bolt, there's 4 holes that you can bolt to the floor if you want to bolt it to the floor, or you can use this alternatively if you have a breakdown and you need to use your trailer just to bring your bike home. You can pick it up off the floor over there and have 4 holes in your trailer where you can bolt this in, or even just have this butted up against the end of the trailer and use it as a chock to stabilise your bike as you're coming home on a trailer.
Yeah.
So this can also be mounted on a trailer or in an enclosed area of any kind. To get an idea. So that can move forward one for your bike.
Right. You'd have to move this bit.
Yeah. Let's just do that and see how it goes. Because the wheel chuck on the ramp cradles your wheel really well.
It does. We want it to cradle a bit better on this because it's not going to be really tied down, is it? I guess you got the eyelets to tie it down if you need to.
Yeah. You can still tie the bike onto the chock.
Yeah.
I don't think you really need to, considering the weight of this is like, oh my god, that's heavy.
Yeah.
So we saw the obvious mistake.
You forgot the washers.
Yeah.
Do they go there or in between the
No, they go
chop?
there, you see.
Oh no. Okay. And the outside. Goes up against the wall, I gather.
With a little bit of a roll, you go in easy.
Yeah.
Just got to thrust your weight to come out.
I'll have to give it a couple of practice runs.
No time like the present.
I'll have to go get my boots on.
No, do it.
Alright. I'll be back.
Okay, Susie's going to have a go at putting her bike in the chock.
In for it. Look at that. First go.
Easy.
I've got the knack.
Easy peasy.
Let's see if I can get it out. Try again. I'll try and put the brake on.
Yeah. I don't think Susie's going to have the strength to get the bike out, but
No, I'm not going to get it.
whenever we go riding, I can do that.
Have to get one for yours.
It doesn't seem to be moving, so.
No. That's it. Very good. We'll be riding our bike straight in now.
Yeah. Let me put the lift down.
All right, we're going to try Jason's bike in the chock. See how that goes. We've had to put a piece of wood behind the chock because the gyprock doesn't like the nuts on the back of the chock, as you can see down there. They were going into the gyprock, so we put a piece of wood behind that now to protect her up. Ready, set, go. Perfect. Good shot. And that's going to stay there too.
Yeah.
Look at that.
Now the good thing about having the bikes upright is, one, if you want to do something on your bike and it's just quick and it's not got to go on the lift, you can. Like for instance, packing the bike when you're going to go away.
Yeah, it's not on a lean.
Now when the bikes were sitting here on a lean, you know, and we both got our panniers open, there wasn't enough room, you know, to work clearly around them. With them being upright, they're much easier to open and not worry about, you know, so you can put stuff in and out. Makes it easy.
Gives you a bit more room around as well when you've got two bikes lined up together.
You can see what the space is. You've got plenty of space left that way, so you don't have to move it that way at all. And you should be able to get two in side by side.
Yeah, we'll fit one in there, sure.
Yeah.
Now there's two. So we got one chock, but it doubled up and we've now got two. Next video out soon. Keep your eye out for it. Why don't you come and join us on our next ride, which will be in February, to the Nabiyak Motor Museum, an exciting place to go visit. Hope to see you there.
We have a great product in the shop that we're excited to share with you. Check it out on our site.
We have a presence on various social media platforms. Join our growing community on Facebook, Instagram, and our website, so you never miss out on the latest updates, events, content, and merchandise.